Hello and welcome back to Asphalt Legends Unite on this episode 214 on Dev Nation CB account. Dev Nation for real account was actually 2 times getting a blue screen. I don't know why. First over actually 2 hours and then 1 hour. That pisses me off actually, seriously. And that is actually going to... So we go into Dev Nation CB account as we have in this booth account actually to deal down the platinum as well. So we are right now by 5 months to go into 6 months. I hope platina is actually Dev Nation CB and Dev Nation for real account as well for my side. Let's see what's coming up. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers up, Capinus, Robbie. Salute. Oh gosh, I'm standing up on the toilet trying to pee. Overdosed on brain action. Cheers up, Capinus, Robbie. Salute. Prost, dich nicht spielen. Oder auch nicht. Vielleicht ins Brunex Beam. Ich hatte zu viel energy drinks. That's much too much energy drinks I drink. After that actually Wurzelbehandlung and this injection of the syringe. That's a good combination. After 4 hours actually drink the first energy drink and continue actually by 1 liter and 33 milliliters. 330 milliliters. Let's begin again the team pursuit to make money and continue forwardly in career mode. Do I hear something? Nothing? No BGM, background music? How it was saved? Impressive. So I need to set up actually all my stuff on the live stream again. So I'll be right back with that one. Noch nicht geantwortet. Do I get something for that? Wir sind doch noch live, oder? Vielen Dank, dass du dabei warst. Der Stream wurde vor 65 Sekunden beendet. Willst du mich verarschen? Der läuft doch gerade noch. Der ist doch live. Warum wurde der Stream gerade beendet? Ja? Ich bin doch gerade live. What the fuck? Wie kann der Stream beendet worden sein? Was ich vor 65 Sekunden habe ich den Stream angefangen zu... Ja, aber nicht beendet. Ja, das wollen wir gleich mal testen.
Hello all.
Nix da. Er läuft doch. Grandioserweise. Scam. Das ist wirklich Scam. No joke. And another struggle. When I'm set up in the same time actually the game. Well, just, you know. Yeah, phew, don't let me alone, that's the... Bah. I think I know I'm sorry again. Die Änderungen wurden gespeichert. No, nicht ganz. Ich hab da noch was für euch. Nail. Claim rewards. Okay. Just for noobs like you. Yeah, shut up, this crack. Wurde akzeptiert. Jetzt sind wir auch ein bisschen älter geworden. So wie ich auch. Alles cool. Wird schon Familie haben. Hoffe ich doch. 5, 6 Sekunden hat es jetzt gedauert, dass der Live-Chat da aufgetaucht ist. What a mother-tucking hell.
Hey Fire, UEL comment, will you subscribe? How's the weather in Balaji? Do you like someone's stream? Skipping the rest. Live a stream from a Bavarian called Onichabe, Defnation or Defreka? Enjoy my craziness. So far. Live Jam Spotty in here, URL the third time thanks to the blue screen on here. Thanks Alu. For sake.
Yeah, for sake of thing. Destinate! Hardcore! For Defnation for real. Oh, not so bad. Normally I'm 30,000 or something. I'm not online anymore. I just offline actually. I am playing Defnation for real. It's actually Defnation for the Defnation CPE. God damn it. That's so weird. Ich habe keine Peine, Schraub, ist nicht so gut, nicht neu geschaut. Einfach mal so neu geschaut. Wer hat denn das schon sauber gemacht? Und es riecht so gut hier. So we're directly actually going to Team Pursuit after some claimings. Some effort actually. If you're just really missing some music or something, I open up the... Yeah, actually, since 3 tries, since 3 days, 3 hours actually, these live jam of Spotify. So I did it again. I pinned it on the top chat live jam. You can just go in to the Spotify link and just, you can change actually songs. If you have Spotify, of course. Enjoy. The music should be with you. What should I call it? Spotify music should be with you? Oh, come on guys, why are you leaving? Can we see amusement in here? You really like that when I'm not talking, right? People are gonna continue whilst we have to watch them. They should fuck the club up. Have fun. I should try. The clap up. I'm the really annoying person that usually done with that stuff. We're talking all the time with that stuff. They say grant up to 3 cards. We not get granted for 3 cards. There's just only 5 card packages with 1 card package in there or something, or what you can call it. Do you see 2 or 3 blueprints? I only see 1 blueprint. Oh, I'm talking. Let's do it again. Here we go, 3 times. Oh my gosh. That's sensational the first time. 3 times a package. Granted up. Here we go. Even it's trade. I mean trash. Trade. Talking. Sus. Souls. Speak in the video. Wanna talk to me? Talk to my individuum. Ah, come on, another 3 times blueprints, but trash tokens. 1 last chance. Don't. Mir juckt's an den Ohren. Könnte das Rauchen sein. Cheers. Forsake. Nimbus. I don't want to have Asphalt talking to you in here. God thanks for something. Why my earplug drops out? Normally it would happen on the left side. Maybe I should clean them. Eins! Claim time! The claim and the race. Claim it once and be happy. A Black Friday that goes over 27 days. What the hell? We used the Koenigsegg already on the other account I have Nation for Real. It's about the SSC. Tuatara Striker. Man holding, why the earplugs don't want to stay. Cheers. Overclock showcase time. Just got hit once. Let's see if I can kill him again. A mighty beautiful tree. Another one to kill, as he was already get snapped off. Have a nice day. Uh-oh. Man, nobody's watching. I should actually really not talking here. Nobody likes that. All converted to trade points. Thank you. Have a nice day. Raziel. Same position, 1 second slower. Instead of 111, I just did on the other account, but it doesn't matter. Perform 3 perfect runs in a single player. Oh, single run. Sorry. Excuse me more. But this time I learned from the Dev Nation for Real account, as we did actually the last 2 live streams. Beat the race number 114 and do 3 times of 360. Ha 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 ha. Eins. Oh, zwei. Missed out. Ha 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 ha. Drei. How many balls you have actually between your legs? Oh gosh. Oberklasse. Dean done everything. Time for some perfume in the room. Sensual Sexual. From Daniel Richter. Hechter. Couton Couton. Couton Chic. Team Pursuit. For love, my heaven. Give me that Ferrari there. I want to drift. Ooh, it's in white. I have that car already. Nice, nice. Cheers. Drink a log. Tequila. Sure. Why not? Behind the enemy line. Oh man, come on, let me live. Scene event solved. Sneaking around and watching some man ass. Gosh, that Harry. Better get out watching some man ass. Tell me something about actually mines. The race is over. Standing in front of the toilet. Yeah, good night. Have a nice time then. Whoop, whoop. Watch you later or something's cracked. Ah, these blue screens, come on. What's going on with this stuff? The server is just so fucked up. Since I have been in the community or something, in the German community here, with the ESO, I have problems actually to play video games. To get breaked up in the live stream, y'all. It's really fucked up. Boom boom later, 1980. No, 90k I don't want. Whoop, whoop. 6 of 6. What's with these geoblocks, goddammit? Stay inside. A light is gone. Wow, for that one. And again, man, this is so what the fuck. The struggle continues. Ringo. Oh, my auto sucked. What should happen here? He gives me some hearts. This blah blah from over to overweichen. Entfernen. I give you stars. Holy shit. Oh wow, he survived. Typical PC users. Nobody's dancing here, right? Everybody's just gone all the time. Why nobody's watching actually continue wisely in here? Ah, you human. It's so suitable, I can just watch something else. More interest, like porn. But the LED on the side of the car is not activated on the hybrid vehicle of BMW. And they won. We won. Oh wow, he did a cycle. That is so beloved from the BMW. Sugoi. Accepted. Kopf noch nicht voll genug, da muss noch mehr Alkohol rein. She's up, kapine, das war absolut so gut, die nicht geschissen. Up. Yeah, cyberpunk. Let's keep it rolling, my home. Grapes. Gang. Bottomos, Sunny Itch, right. Excelsior, sometimes, somewhere, live stream. We don't have avatars as well here in the symbol, so we are really doomed actually. The server from Fraud has a really problem to do that. Hello? Gosh, lights are fucked up in here. Nobody's watching anymore. Why would least FP? How can they be so fast? They're just saying what they're dealing done, pressing X to push forward. Second round. Oh, that makes sense. We're gonna let drift around. We can't catch up anyway. Skali, ale, arale. Gong. So moving here, enjoy that track. Second, was waiting for 21 years actually for that game, and it was fucked up in 4 years, twice on the PlayStation servers. Moblin. For the money, do it for the haze. Days, but it's a protecting, incapitating. City of Dreams, my home. Let me guess, I don't have nothing actually. I got that car, but I'm not sure. Maybe a DJ Virgin account. Exactly what I'm telling about. Ooh, wow, I have that car already. White it out. Breathe in and breathe out. The next minute, maybe the server corrupts and you get a blue screen. Sun, H, Ray for 0. Gun, body, maybe Mazu. My beer gun, Nanti. Should be grab me actually next one. What's I'll be here for past? Oh gosh. What was his name? You totally fucked up everything. Omar. Det var Scully. Oder seid ihr alle feiern oder was? Was ist denn da eigentlich los? Oh, mother in hell. That is so pointless in here. Let the AI drive. The Hurricane is driving the same AI. Come on, move on, dude. I'm so totally out of here. God damn it. The controller says Wenn schon, then schon. Wenn schon keiner zuschaut, select the screenshot. Let's see how long that takes actually for me on the Dev CB account. For the community of Fuxi. Und lass mich ja nicht anfangen, das zu quatschen. Ach, deswegen bin ich so oft disconnected. Wer macht denn das immer? Schaue ich gerade auf den Screen oder bei der Konsole, würde ich schon sagen, auf dem PC. Wer schickt denn mir denn die ganze Zeit Herzen? Oh, bitte nicht meine eigene Mutter oder so. Cheers. Habt einen schönen Abend. 21, 46, ja 64, das geht ja klar, oder? It's just 9 o'clock and 46 actually PM here right now in Bavaria, Germany. Trying to select actually for the community actually a picture of a message. I'll be right back in the game. I'm sorry for that one. From one of these ESO, community. Subs are so broken these days. How can that happen? I grabbed me some beer before I actually loaded up the select screenshot. Screen coming up, popping up. How are you dealing so far? Or far? I'm good, I'm fine. I'm good, I'm fine. Stupid fridge have a magnetic field. That's why I repeated actually what I tried to say. Maybe just the earplugs just have magnified actually by this freezer. Fridge? It's a freezer, but actually it's actually a fridge, but actually dealing done as a freezer. Complicated stuff, these Germans these days as well. Christopher was in here, is in here, still exists. Or maybe I'm just dead laying down actually in my apartment. Nobody knows that after that week. What the hell was that actually doing down actually today with the construction worker? Nobody was actually at work. Oh, the construction manager. There was a years ever see today. Or here, nobody was working. Maybe die hatten eine Hebe auf oder so. What the hell? Kann das sein, dass ich überzuckert bin oder sogar einfach zu schnell rede? Being a wild man, wild man, wild man. Hurry, hurry. Tequila. I'll get hit, man. Get over here. Ja, wenn Inscope 21 oder da der Bertelsmann da wüsste, ne? Solche deutschen Husos. Gibt schon so komische Influencer. Wir wären die besten Freunde. Okay, Tony Stark, Inscope 21 ist eigentlich irgendwie ein bisschen mit sich selber beschäftigt zurzeit, weil er keine Freundin hat und TikTok komplett aus mit seinem Bett. Ja, dann scheint bessere Sorgen. Habe ich den eigentlich subscribed die letzten 3 Monate wieder? Ich glaube schon. Superclass Tweet of the Year. Let's find some screenshots. Console says, oh, you are really annoying. Lädt immer noch auf der PlayStation 4 mit dem HDD. Select the screenshots. Can't get your fingers away with that shit, right? Prom. There's Crysis. There's Crysis? Oh man. Fart was enough today. So it was a muscle problem. You have defeated a Oddworld assassin. Can't stop this trophy. Right, nice. Whoop. Someone MK10. $5,300 pictures? Oh my gosh. Totally forgot about that shit rodent, man. It's a snake, y'all. You scripted back. So far as good a career. Before we continue actually with the team proceed. Be that. Oh, this looks disgusting. Uh-oh. I'm taking turf. What was that? Race gold speed 45 seconds with a Camaro. Oh, come on, you kidding me? Oh man. Is it really to go with that? Beat 45 seconds with Chevrolet Camaro. Are you kidding me? That's why I didn't won. Oh, you bastard. What's wrong with Baby Blue, y'all? It was gone. Shoot. Oh, you had to pay for that? A player reacted with a lie. Oh, 45 seconds? Oh my gosh. Gute Besserung. Arbeite als Assistent beim Zahnarzt. Lol. Marvin, oh what the hell. Er arbeitet beim Zahnarztdienst. Ich glaube, ich hänge weggespielt im Foto.
Bin ich denn jetzt schon drin oder was?
45 Sekunden? Holy shit, ich sollte mich beeilen. Das macht der Camaro schon. Glaube ich. Wird eng. Wird sehr eng. Es wird sehr, sehr, sehr eng. Oh, es wird sehr super eng. Schaffe ich nicht mehr. Komplett verkackt. Wenn jemand aus der Community vielleicht zuschaut, dann heißt es nur, cheers up Kampai, na Stravi Soli, so du Gold Brastina gespielt, Kampai, irgendwie so. Puta madre. Venga, venga. Vamos. Son, me, itch, rage, combate. Den Guto-Status ausgerufen. Alter, 24 Sekunden schon weg. Das schaffe ich wieder nicht. Oh, es wird knapp, es wird knapp. Yes. Done. Upgraded. Entschuldigung, gehen wir das Seite so. Herdo. You wanna active this one? No. Bizarre. We have something else to be done with called Team Pursuit. Oh, nice points already, 624. Session, season reputation. I'm not playing. I was playing this one, okay, that's okay. What a Porsche. Cannot explain. Why did we start him? Up shut. I'm okay with it. It's a nice experience, even these aren't actually the 3D. So, vielleicht Deutsche zuschauen? Ah, okay. Why not even done that in Japanese? Änderung in der Spieleinstellung. Let's keep on moving. Bestimmte Umweltfaktoren wie blinkende Lichter und sich wiederholende Muster könnten epileptische Anfälle. Ist alles lazy. So calling Team Pursuit. Let's do it again. No, that hurt. Cheers. Gymkhana comes up. Upperclass Tweet of the Year. The Dull Boy Dav Nation, aka the Davrika DJ Wojin Christopher Berg. Oh, I fucked somebody up. Was a friend, man. He's on your side. How you couldn't fuck them up? Lord of heaven. You know, oh, see, Lord, I can't actually answer you. I wish I can. I couldn't even touch one. If you ask, actually, I'm in the community, actually, and, you know, writing something down. Maybe it's helpful, maybe not. So that's why I'm all the times actually gone. I'm talking to me all the time. Ah, 25k? Okay, I got it one. No wonder actually my live stream, or better say, actually getting boycotted actually by this game on server. I'll be right back. I need to get a toilet and pee off because I'm drinking too much beer. Beer, guys. Rum, cola, and tequila a bit. Or maybe sometimes with rum actually cancel that and favorize that actually with, you know, Monster Energy drink or Rockstar Energy drink. That's why I call it Berg Ice. Normally a Berg Ice, for me, I created this year, for 3 months ago. A Berg Ice is Smirnoff 4%, tequila 40%. You can actually, you know, lemon juice. Kind of say actually 700 milliliters of Smirnoff Ice with 4%. Tequila actually with, yeah, I should say 200 milliliters actually on 40%, and lemon juice, or maybe orange juice if you want. Yeah, kind of 100 milliliter, 0% alcohol. You got your Berg Ice in a 1 liter actually beer glass. Enjoy. Ugh, for you guys that's so sober as hell. Like something open up actually to say, I'm dried up. Your mind, your brain, your suggestion. Better run. Better run. Better run. I'm enjoying this Spotify music in my earplugs in my ears. Having a headset over all the earplugs and listen to the music of the BGM of actually this game called Asphalt Legends Unite. Time to grab me some beer. Oh gosh, I forgot that one. Here we go. Come on, you little ghoul. Keep on buffing around. Nobody's watching. Can't believe that. It's just gonna happen here all the times. So what is this? I need to watch what's going on in here.
Gates told me hell no, demon said I ain't special. Antagonist watch me meddle, tell the world make it tremble. The question leave them unsettled, am I an angel or devil? Am I an angel or a devil? Am I an angel or a devil?
Tadaimasu, welcome back actually to this account of Defnation CB, aka actually DJ Wolchin, aka Defnation for Real, Yamamoto Unijiro, aka Christopher Burke. Let's see what's gonna happen. On this beautiful 22 o'clock, 26 actually PM night. No, you wanna touch me? Oh, come on.
Love y'all humans.
Diese schwindenden Knochensplitter bekomme ich auf jeden Fall. Oh Gottes Willen. Muss genug sein. So, ich gehe jetzt mal ordentlich scheißen. Keiner schaut mehr zu. Alles gut. Mit dem Zahnfleisch geht's besser. Definitiv. Meine Schmerzen sind weg. Der Zahnarzt ist Gold wert. Steigt schon fast auf Platin auf. Er braucht es mir eigentlich gar nicht nach 1,5 Jahren beweisen. Er ist schon platinisiert. In Klammern Herr Dr. Rosenbohrer. Das war eigentlich Frau Güttler eigentlich immer, nicht er. Aber er setzt den wenig ein. Respekt. Ah, das ist also Leben, ja. Wenn man voll dabei ist. Jetzt könnte ich noch rausgehen und ein paar Leute grüßen, Gute Nacht sagen, der Katze auf Winke Winke sagen. Dann wäre alles perfekt. Aber lieber bleibe ich in meinem Zuhause, in meinem Gefilde. Gefilde oder Gefilde? Ich könnte morgen arbeiten, bin krankgeschrieben, was soll ich tun? Question sein, ich lasse mich doch die ganze Zeit schon vom Finster rausnehmen. Den siehst du im Tod auch noch. Deswegen heißt er Finsterer. Auf Englisch. Ja, kommst du so schnell nicht weg? Ha ha ha. Had the chronic. Oh, hier stinkt's aber auch. Hat da jemand eine Anfrage gesendet? Ja, es stinkt zu sehr. Bitte fallen Sie aus dem Fenster. Nee, das machen wir jetzt nicht. Exactly. Zeit für die Nachbarn ein bisschen Parfüm zu versprühen. Die haben doch wirklich geantwortet.
Hello all. Hey Fire, UEL comment, will you subscribe? How's the weather in Balaji? Do you like someone's stream, live a stream from a Bavarian called Onitsha Bay, Defnation or Defrega? Enjoy my craziness, so far? Bert Christopher, Unikiro Yamamoto, PSNID Def Nation for real, Def Reaper, Def Rega, Def Nation, skipping the rest. Blah blah.
Wollte ich nur mal loswerden. The fine-ass cat driver. Actually, it's easy done with the name. 80 minutes without actually a server actually. Okay, let's see. I hope there's no issue actually to getting a blue screen. The heat zoom.
I am a man at war, and I am fighting for all of the broken people, all of the people thrown overboard. They always try to shame us, but they don't speak the language. No, we're not nameless, we're not faceless, we were born for greatness.
Ci sa kapajna šrovi se rito ljudsko, protinek špijim se te. Šrov je. Not me this time.
I see that look in your eyes.
So close. Come on, you little creepy ass sucker. You wanna have stars? I give you stars.
Storm in the quiet.
Can we do these done like that one in the rivers as well with the BMW hybrid car? Question sign. Cheers. And an error has occurred following